Hello, my name is Jason Perkins. I'm a Georgia workers' compensation attorney, and I'd like to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia workers' compensation video series. I created this series to provide you with helpful information about the rules of Georgia workers' compensation law and the benefits available to you under it. And today I'm going to talk to you about one specific type of benefit, and that's permanent partial disability benefits, or what's known as PPD benefits for short, or sometimes PPI, which would stand for permanent partial impairment. Now, we're going to focus on one type of permanent partial disability benefit today, and that's a rating for a knee injury at work. Let's talk about what permanent partial disability benefits are generally. Basically, they're a type of benefit provided under Georgia workers' compensation law when your workers' compensation injury causes you a permanent impairment. In other words, even after you've got the medical treatment that you need, you're not as good as you were before your injury. You haven't had a complete recovery. So Georgia workers' compensation rates you, well, the doctor rates you, and Georgia workers' compensation, you're entitled to some benefits for that rating as a result of that permanent impairment. You generally receive this rating after you reach what's called maximum medical improvement, which means your injury is as good as it can get. And the doctor who's treating you under workers' compensation will use a book that's put out by the American Medical Association called the Guides to the Evaluation of Permanent Impairment. Doctors are required to use the 5th edition of that book. And with a knee injury, the doctor is going to use a chapter in that book called Lower Extremities in order to rate your knee injury. Now, knee injuries can have all sorts of permanent partial disability ratings. They can range from permanent partial disability ratings for minor injuries like strains or sprains that don't completely resolve, up to knee injuries that require surgery, all the way up to knee replacements. So there's a whole range of ratings. The book that's put out by the American Medical Association, some types of injuries that result in certain surgeries will receive certain ratings in that book. For example, a knee replacement has certain ratings depending on how well you recover from that knee replacement surgery. If you have a good result, you're going to receive one rating, generally a 37% to your lower extremity. If it's a fair result, you'll receive a 50% rating to your lower extremity, or a poor result, a 75% rating to your lower extremity. Other types of surgeries, many of them have similar types of specific ratings, but there are some ratings that depend on other things like how much pain or limitation you have in your knee and your leg after the injury. It may be how it affects your gait, or what sort of range of motion or strength that you have in your leg when you reach maximum medical improvement. So the book that's put out by the American Medical Association instructs doctors how to do the rating. So if your doctor provides you with a rating, that rating could be checked against the book to make sure it's done correctly and to make sure you receive the right rating, because the higher the rating that you receive, the more weeks of permanent partial disability benefits you're going to receive from the insurance company for that rating. I hope you found this information about permanent partial disability benefits for knee injuries helpful. If you have, please let me know. The best and easiest way that you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you've got some specific questions about your workers' compensation case, I encourage you to reach out to me and schedule a free consultation. There's no cost to you and there's no obligation either. If you'd like to set one of those up, you can do that in one of two easy ways. You can visit our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com, and complete and submit the consultation request form that's available there, or you can call the phone number at the bottom of the screen and speak with my office, and they'll get a consultation set up for you. I'd like to thank you again for watching today, and I wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.